How to clean and service an overheated Dell laptop. This guide is specifically for a Dell Inspiron 1525 laptop, but it can also be helpful for other Dell laptop models because the cleaning procedures are usually similar. You will first need a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, and a piece of cloth. Also, make sure you have a compressed air can or an air compressor, which would be handy. If you don't have an air compressor, then a compressed air can is able to do the job. But here, we are actually going to do the cleaning process without using any compressed air. We will begin by removing the processor thermal cooling assembly. Turn the computer over and then unscrew the few screws that hold the cover. After removing the cover, you will see how the laptop looks inside. The curved copper bar is what we are looking for. It is called the processor thermal cooling assembly, which is held to the motherboard with 5 captive screws. The screws should be screwed in tight in the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Logically, the unscrewing order should be the opposite, which would be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, start to take the assembly and then place it to the side. If the laptop was overheating to the level that it was turning itself off, you notice a layer of dust that looks like a big, long chunk of dust that is still attached to the assembly, or still laying next to the fan. The fan or cooler will often become packed with dust, and the dust will gather on small plates as is shown below. Dust usually never gathers in the fan but instead sticks to the plates. This is why I would not use compressed air without opening the laptop. Compressed air will get inside and will push the layer of dust into the fan. And later, it will be more difficult to get the fan clean.